looks like a bird in the distance.
Is it a bird or is it a plane?
No, I think, look at it.
It's Superman.
So in this video we return from Haverfordwest, which is based down in southwest Wales. We were meant to have gone to Popham that day, but in an earlier video you'll see that we had to turn around because of the bad weather. So we went over to Propellers Cafe, which is a really good cafe based at Haverfordwest Airport. We had our breakfast there and then we headed back. So join us on the journey back to Old Park Farm.
The sun is coming out.
Yeah, it is actually. It's in my eyes. Like,
I got my glasses! So, would you like to borrow my sunglasses or you know, that's for your hat?
no, I'm fine.
Put them in.
You're up?
Or should I put them in? Did I or did I not?
No, look at the castle. What's that one?
One was Coffee Cove,
That's
Winston Castle.
Southampton. Southampton Castle.
Get them out. The sun will have gone back in.
I think you already asked.
Oh,
It's making me squint.
so, past the...
Yeah.
you know.
Obscures your vision a little bit, so you make sure that nothing comes from
I'll be
on
alright.
top of the clouds. So how would you rate the breakfast?
As in the whole, including the place or just the food?
Well, just give an overall and then break it down as to what you score on one.
I'd probably give it an 8.
An 8.
8. I think so, 8 out of 10.
Okay.
They would have scored more points if they had more seats.
Yeah.
And the door was closed.
Yeah, okay. And what about the food?
Oh, the food was lovely. Yeah, the
Okay,
food was
was it?
nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
I know it's enough all there.
It's good in the summer when you can,
Sit outside.
yeah.
No, it was nice. And we didn't have to wait very long, did we? And it was busy there.
Oh, I don't know, I thought you did wait a fair bit of time, but you're right, it was busy. It's always busy. It's the tiniest kitchen, though. It's about the size of most people's bathrooms. And it's, they got about 4 of them in there. It's mental. And now they do it.
It's a shame they can't extend the seating area.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't bother me having people sitting right next door to you, but not everyone likes that, do they?
No.
They don't like crumbs,
No, I don't, to be honest, but
or when you're hungry.
yeah.
Can't be messy. Have you only been to Popham once then, when it was that fly-in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, look at that bird.
What was the food like there? Popham. When you went to
We never landed.
Oh, you didn't land when all those...
No, because a guy almost crashed into us, so we went somewhere else. Because they were just flying around like bumblebees.
Oh, yeah, no, I just assumed that you did actually land then.
No.
Right, okay.
No, we done one approach and then had to do a go around because someone cut in front of us and we
Oh,
like
my gosh,
keep it.
yeah.
And then so on our second approach then, let's get out of there. Survive to tell the story. That's what we done. Golf Tango Delta is 2 miles northwest of Pendine, 1,500 feet, and we're going to change frequency 124.4.
Well, Roger, yes, nice to see you. Have a good flight back. Cheers.
Nice little bit of hospitality.
I would say he was very, very nice with me, very welcoming.
Yeah.
And
Well, they are.
Oh, my head.
Whoa!
Why are you banging my head loads today?
I don't think it's me.
So I'm not the one driving.
No. Neither am I. It's the wind it is. Pembury Radio Golf Charlie Golf Tango Delta.
Golf Charlie Golf Tango Delta. This is Pembury Radio Pass message.
Wow. Golf Charlie Golf Tango Delta Eurostar. We're Haverfordwest route into Old Park Farm. We're currently overhead Pendine at 1,500 feet, QNH1035, and we'll be routing overhead Pembury.
Golf Tango Delta, Roger, confirming RQA
QNH 1035, and no known traffic at this time.
Roger, traffic and QNH 1035, Golf Tango Delta. You know, I think that was a lady that was talking on the way over, but she was so much more clearer.
Okay.
Can you remember there was that lady? We'll have to listen to it back, and she's probably on a walkie-talkie somewhere.
Oh, we thought that she might have been in the helicopter.
Yeah. That's what I reckon's happened there.
But she's very good in theatre.
Yeah, she was there, wasn't she?
Thought it was only him.
Yeah, I'm surprised that maybe he's got a lady friend
I
now,
was
has he?
about to say maybe he's colored. Not that at all.
Swansea Radio, Golf Charlie, Golf Tango Delta.
Charlie Golf, Tango Delta, Swansea, Parker message.
Golf Charlie, Golf Tango Delta, Eurostar. We're Haverfordwest at Old Park Farm, just passing Connecty, and we're 1,600 feet. QNH 1035. We'll be routing Lucker Bridge and then direct back to Old Park Farm.
Golf Tango Delta, Roger, the Swansea QNH 1036, traffic is at 772, just departed, routing west. Yeah.
Roger, looking for the traffic, QNH 1036, Golf Tango Delta. Okay, so look for that airplane.
I will do.
DZ Roger, no reported traffic.
He should be over there somewhere.
Okay.
And he is same level.
Golf Yankee Kilo is a couple of miles south of Locker Bridge. I'll remain south and I'll be midpoint extra in a few minutes.
Thank you. Roger, traffic is the Eurostar routing from get back to Old Park Farm.
Golf Yankee Kilo.
And then Golf Tango Delta is Locker Bridge. We'll keep north side 1,600 feet.
Golf Tango Delta, Roger.
He is, I'm sure that was James. Oh, I see him, yeah. He's a little bit above us.
Right.
Just behind the wing now. A little
Oh, yes, I can see him,
dot.
yes.
Yeah.
Looks like a bird.
Is it a bird or is it a plane?
No, I think, look at it.
It's
It's
Superman.
Swansea Radio,
Oh,
Golf
so-
Sierra.
I think the others have not come back yet.
No, what do you think if they took off the same time as us? Would they go over an hour for that? Well, say that, we've been 42 minutes, right?
Yeah, sorry, I'll speed up. Oui. Old Park Farm traffic, Golf Tango Delta, final runway 36, Old Park Farm. Yeah, you were a little bit high,
Okay, I want to proceed.
but I've got a feeling that we'll come down quite nicely. Stay low, but